Trade with the drees. Come on, trade with the drees. Come on, trade with the drees. Come on, trade with the drees. Now everybody now.
5 in the morning, I wake up to 5 for my earnings. Yeah, in my mind is a warning. Pray to the one you're relying.
Welcome back to my channel. Hey boo, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, welcome, girl. Sus, I know I've said a few times before that I found the best plop and go wig. I think I lied because while those other ones was easy, honey, it don't get no easier than this, okay? This video is going to be real short and sweet and straight to the point because there ain't nothing to it but to do it. This is a wig hat, or is it a hat wig? I don't know, whichever way, tomato, tomato. It's one of those wigs that already have the hair connected onto the hat. I know I'm not the only one who be out here in these streets with them bad hair days sometimes, honey. Sometimes I just don't even give a damn. I just go out there looking like a straight up chicken head. But I ain't gotta do that no more, and neither do you, boo. This unit is only $12. For the $12, honey. You can't get no cheaper than that. I don't even think you can buy cheap ass pack hair anymore for that cheap. Can you? This unit is from Shein. This is their long synthetic hat wig. And when they say synthetic, honey, they ain't never lied. This is really sticking to my neck, honey. Don't get sweaty now out here in these streets, baby, because it's gonna be just a glue to your damn neck. I mean, I done had to adjust it a few times, honey. I done had to fan myself, get a napkin, wipe myself off, honey. So it's very much giving synthetic. When I first got it out the pack, I was just like, oh Lord, okay. I'm talking about that shiny, synthetic-y, plasticky type of value. Girl, we all done had that synthetic hair. We done all wore that jam wave. It was also giving me set it off. I was like, what in the set it off wig is this? Looking like I was about ready to go rob a bank. I remember seeing a hack about dry shampoo. Of course, I don't have dry shampoo on hand. I mean, do we normally supposed to eat dry shampoo on hand? I ain't had no baby in a long time, like a little baby. So I ain't had no powder either. So girl, I went and got the damn baking soda out the damn thing. Because I felt like powder, baking soda, all the same damn thing, right? Needless to say, I ended up having to go get some powder, okay? Because I had to get this shine out. Now, I was looking for some of that spray that take the shine out the wig, but my local beauty supply store did not have it. So I did add some powder now to the unit so it looks a less wiggy, a less shiny. I probably should have hit the hot iron or the straightening iron over it. Now, it is pretty lengthy. I would say this is probably giving, what, about a 12 inch, maybe 14. It doesn't have anything on the wig to hold it, no type of combs, no type of elastic band, nothing, honey. It's very snug. So for my big lemon hair girls, I feel like you're going to do good with this. My head circumference is 22 inches. And honey, I still got a little room and it's snug and tight. It's pretty. It's there. I seen a girl on TikTok making her wig hat. Now, don't get me wrong. I do plan on making my own. I'm not even going to lie. I even considered cutting this hair out and then using this same wig to do it once this get a little old. And just try to find some really inexpensive human hair. Because, honey, this is genius. Everybody don't want to be a part of the DIY era. I get it. And if that's you, boo, this is for you. $12. And if you use my coupon code, sis, you're going to save even more. You cannot beat it, honey. I don't know about you, but sis, let me know. Am I giving Run DMC, honey? I mean, walk this way, talk this way, to run, all right on time. It's tricky. I don't really know the words, but I also felt like I was giving a little, I need love. I'm just missing the damn big ass rope chain, honey. Call me LL, okay? I even felt like I was giving like a little bit of the 90s. It's just giving me 90s, not to mention this top, which I did get from Shein, girl. You're going to have to stay tuned for that haul. It's coming soon. But I'm just giving so much of 90s energy with this. Girl, let me put the big earrings on because, you know, when you have hair in the way, you need the earrings on. Look at me. I'm giving looks in this unit. So I'm giving looks. I ain't gonna lie, sis, I'm not sure how long it's gonna last, but honey, because it's $12, you can just order a few. Order a few. I feel like this gets the award for the best summer unit ever, honey. It's so hot in these streets. I don't want to do no hair. I barely want to have hair. That's why I done cut mine all off. It's so hot. But this is a solution, honey. I'm looking like I need to pull up to a 90s party. Girl, I'm giving 90s party, girl. I know y'all probably be like, man, go ahead and take that thing out so we can see. And I'm going to go ahead and do it for you. Because I didn't want to come on camera looking like a little chicken head, but I'm going to do it for you, girl. Okay, so here I am. Here's the construction of the hat. As you can tell, it's pretty good. Nice. Black. It might look a little off black right now because I got a little powder on it, child. Powder residue for what I was trying to get the sheen out. And as you can see, look. Now, once I take it off, it do look like it needs to be a little brushed, honey. A little brushed. Which I have here. You don't need that dimming brush for this hair too, child. But like I said, it's not human. The cap construction is very, very neat. And like I said, once this get old, I'm going to cut this off and just go and buy some pack hair and redo it with some other hair that'll probably last a little bit longer. I ain't going to lie, girl. I'm getting a little sheddies. You see the little stringlies here? Girl, just a shed and look. Ooh, child. Okay. It's definitely giving synthetica, but it's cute. It's cute. And then look. Say you about to run to the store right quick and you don't want to do shit to your hair, just... Honey, they will never know. Let me know down below if you have tried the whole little hat wig trend that's going on right now, child. Did you even know anything about this, honey? If I just put you on, be sure to thumbs up this video, honey. Comment down below this emoji. That's how I'm going to know it's real and that you made it all the way to the end, boo. I want to thank Shein so very much for sending over this unit. Be sure to use my coupon code whenever you shopping on Shein, girl, because you know I'll be putting you on. Love Shein hauls or anything, all things Shein, honey. I got more to give. Check out my playlist. Feel like I answered everything because it ain't really much to say about this unit. But, honey, if you got any questions or concerns, be sure to leave them down below, honey. I talk big. I want to thank you so very much for taking the time out to watch my video. Until next time. Later.